Hi, let's show you how to track your product inventory. So the first thing you got to do was to add your business info, which we did it from here. Then you first need to add your product if you need to track product inventory. Add an image for the product, if any. Let's add this. Enter your product name. Enter the price. If you have a reorder level below which your quantity should not drop, you can enter it here. Select the product category from the drop down as you wish. Select the measurement unit. Enter a description if required, taxable or no, and add the product. When you click on the product, you can see the details in here. Now, the next step is to create a warehouse. You can create multiple warehouses for your product. Enter the details, enter the address. You can see these are the warehouses created. Now, if you want to add quantity to your product, if you already have quantity available in your warehouse, you can add it up from update stock. Select the warehouse where you want to add. Select the product. Enter the quantity. Update. You can see it's already added here to the warehouse and it's in stock because it's above the reorder level. When your quantity falls below the reorder level, you can see the status changing here to reorder. You can move quantity between warehouses. Select the product, select the warehouse from where you want to move, select the warehouse to where you wish to move the quantity, enter the quantity and click on move. You can see it has been moved from one warehouse to another. If you have any wastage or damaged products or products that have been lost in transit from one warehouse, you can always remove it from here from the inventory. Select the warehouse, enter the quantity that has been damaged or lost, enter the reason if you wish to, and click on remove from stock. You can see it has been removed from the concerned warehouse. Now, if you wish to add quantity, you can always do it from update stock, or you can create a purchase order for your supplier from here. Create a purchase order. You can amend the PO number if required. Select the date, select the credit terms, select your supplier name, enter the reference number if any, select the warehouse where you want to add the quantity. Once you receive it, add your product from here, edit the pricing if required, enter the quantity. You can add the discount, tax, shipping charges if any. If you have paid in advance, you can add it here. Select the date when it was paid, select the payment method, sign the purchase order if you want to. You can always ask your supplier as well to sign if required. Upload the company seal if required, and attach images if you want to have them on the purchase order. Enter notes if any. View the purchase order. If all details are correct, you can go back and create the purchase order. Once your purchase order is created, you can share that by clicking on more, share. You can share it as a PDF or as a link. Now once you receive the quantity, you can swipe right and click on mark as delivery received. When you mark it, the quantity gets added to the warehouse. You can check it here. The quantity is auto added to the warehouse. Now when you want to sell a product, you can create an invoice for your customer. Select your customer, select the terms, choose a template, select the warehouse from which you are going to sell to the customer. You can always edit the pricing, enter the quantity that you are selling, and create the invoice. When you create an invoice, the quantity is automatically removed from stock. You can see here the quantity has been sold and has been removed from the warehouse, and accordingly we are below the reorder level, and so the status changes to reorder. That's how easy it is to automatically track your product inventory.